Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the FC Mobile 26 mod menu, completely free, and it works on both iOS and Android devices. This mod unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited coins and points, so you can dominate FC Mobile like a pro. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu comes packed with powerful options: auto goals, unlimited coins and points, perfect skills, auto speed boost, freeze goalkeeper, and so much more. This is the ultimate way to level up your FC Mobile gameplay. First, make sure your FC Mobile 26 app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained step by step where you can download FC Mobile ++ safely. Follow the instructions there, and you'll have the mod menu installed in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.